Just stocked up on some more supplies, some more wax and grease remover. I was running a bit low on this one and just love this stuff. More clips, mixed bag of those because I'm out of those as well. I got some more sanding discs. Got a different brand. Now these are from Super Cheap Auto. The other ones I've been getting have just been from Bunnings, but these are for automotive. The Bunnings ones are just sanding discs, brown, yellow. Not sure if they're going to do any difference, but I thought I'd give them a go. It's about the same price. These might have been a little bit, maybe $1 more expensive, but if they work better, we'll give them a go. And last but not least, I've got a little mini blowtorch and some butane because I'm going to try and apply heat to some of these pesky bloody nuts and bolts that are stopping me from getting these brakes off. So I'm going to try a bit of that. I'm a little bit scared. I'll be honest, I'm bloody scared. But I'll try and be as safe as I possibly can. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at doing. Other things, more paint to get off. I really want to get the rest of the paint off this front here. And then also got the other 3 rims to paint. But I'm kind of making sure I get the brakes and stuff off before I do that. Just got the front right brake off. Didn't have to apply heat either. I've been spraying it every time I've been here and trying to get it off with some WD-40. So maybe it's just try to get it, spray it. Maybe it finally worked. Gave it a few taps. Gave them a few taps with a hammer. Haven't stripped them or anything, thank goodness. That just divides it. I'll just do that for my record. And just connects. Oh, this is hard. I'll do it first and then. Oh, it's hard to get that angle there, sorry. Camera works a bit dodgy. Yeah, just connects those 2 bolts. And then the brake comes off. Now they should just pop off in theory, shouldn't they? Oh, you know what? I'll have to take those off. Look at that. Yeah, I've got the brake nuts off that one. So I've got the caliper off, but I can't get the bloody rotor off. I don't know if on the fronts they're actually bolts. They seem to have bolts in the hubs, so I'll have to see if that's the case before I try and bash it off. I've got one other nut off the rear left, and there's one that's being a little bit difficult. Feels like it's going to strip, so I might have to put some heat on it. But as I said, I'm a bit nervous about that, so I'm going to try this front left. So I've just sprayed it with a bit of WD-40. You know, it's been sprayed a few times over the last few days. I'm just going to tap the bolts a bit. Supposedly that breaks up the rust particles. Do this bottom one as well. And I was finding that this 17mm worked on the other front. Couldn't quite get in there. I could get in on one on the back there, but the other one was too much in the way, so I had to use the spanner instead, which isn't quite as easy. Alright, just always double check that I'm going lefty-loosey. Make sure it's right on there. Do a bit of pressure first. Geez, I'm right up on that nut. So I can't get the ratchet going. Fuck it. Might come up. I can get it out. Oh, bastard. Try that again a bit higher up. There we go. Oh, I thought I was gonna go. Oh, sweet fucking victory. Oh, that feels so good when that gives. Oh, it's like riding the edge. Don't fucking strip, don't break. Alright, I won't take that one all the way off. So, oh, just ride the wave on that one. I did give that a tap. That one actually was the first one where I didn't have to use the fucking persuader. Alright, load her up. Oh yeah. Oh, the camera's brought me luck. Well, maybe you just try a bit harder. Oh, that's awesome. All right, I'll go and get them all the way off and see if this one comes off. I reckon I've got to take that off. Yeah, so I was bashing this thing about with a hammer. You know, I had the cloth behind there, whacking it. Watched a YouTube vid, this guy was showing you how to bang it out with a, and then I've noticed that this one's got a little nut on it. Well, the back ones don't. Well, not that that one's off yet, but the other one is. And it's just this bloody screw here. Screw that off. Oh. Oh yeah, off she bloody comes. Oh, yummy. Got it. Ha ha! Yes. All right. Oh, that makes me happy. Now I'll just get the other front one off. Bolts are undone. Just undo that little bolt. Might get that into a rust bath. And then it's just one more bastard there. And drilling out that other bastard over there. All right, it's time. Bring out the heat. All right, so I'm gonna give this a go. I've tried everything else. Every single one's off. Feels like it's gonna strip if I push it too far, so I'm gonna fire up this bad boy. I watched a YouTube tutorial. Click it on, hit it with a lighter, and then to adjust the strength. Hear it? There we go. Crank it up. Apply some heat. About 30 seconds or so. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm pretty close to the fuel tank here too. Oh, starting to smell a bit. Alright, I just turned it off. Let me get that bloody shifter on there. Quick smart. Duh. Not sure if this fucking thing's stuck again. Oh, I can't get this bastard. Oh, I've tried hitting it with heat 3 times. Different lengths with the old flamethrower. Even with gloves on, I've bloody got myself. One of the big issues is, well, this was the tool, the ratchet. I was able to get off the others because I'd get in there, but this bloody plate here makes it really, really hard. And then with the spanner, she's starting to thread, so I can't. I've been trying to do it with the shifter, but I can't get a good enough grip on it. So I keep bloody stripping it more, so I haven't got much left, but the fucking thing won't budge. Keep hitting it, keep spraying it, hitting it with heat. Oh my God, it's defeated me. But I won't let it. I'll be back. Other ones are off. So just this bastard to go.